A very warm welcome to KSGIndia.com. NABARD gives sanction for proposals under Agri Infra Fund. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development has given in principle sanction for rupees 1,568 crores worth of proposals received from agri credit societies in 22 states. Under the recently launched rupees 1 lakh crore Agri Infrastructure Fund, the Parliament was informed on 15 September 2020. The Agriculture Infrastructure Fund was launched last month for developing farm gate infrastructure facilities. Let us talk about this in detail. So far, NABARD has received 3,055 proposals of primary agriculture credit societies through state cooperative banks in 22 states, for which in principle sanction of rupees 1,568 crore has been accorded. The first in principle sanction of rupees 1,128 crore was made to over 2,280 farmer societies by NABARD. The operational guidelines of the scheme have been circulated to all states and meetings have been held for early rollout of the scheme. The minister said Memorandum of Understandings MOUs have been signed with all 12 public sector banks, IDBI and Yes Bank, by the Union Agricultural Ministry, and a portal for the scheme has been created. The scheme, to be implemented for 10 years till 2029, aims to provide medium to long-term debt financing facility for investment in viable projects for post-harvest management infrastructure and community farming assets through interest, subvention and financial support. Under the scheme, rupees 1 lakh crore will be provided by banks and financial institutions as loans to PACS, marketing cooperative societies, farmer producer organizations, self-help groups, farmers, joint liability groups, multi-purpose cooperative societies, agri entrepreneurs, startups, and central state agency or local body sponsored public-private partnership project. All loans under this financing facility will have interest subvention of 3% per annum up to 2 crore rupees. This subvention will be available for a maximum period of 7 years. Further, credit guarantee coverage will be available for eligible borrowers from this financing facility under the Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises Scheme for a loan up to rupees 2 crores. The fee for this coverage will be paid by the government. In case of FPOs, the credit guarantee may be availed from the facility created under FPO Promotion Scheme of Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare. Moratorium for repayment under this financing facility may vary, subject to minimum of 6 months and maximum of 2 years. So that's it for today. I hope that the video was pretty informative. Thank you for watching KSGIndia.com. Stay tuned for more informative and updated videos.